feel like I'm reborn. I'm just gonna leave it at that. You know who you are. Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today's video that I have for you, it is day 4 of, I was gonna say November. It's December 2019 box week, not November. I'm even wearing like Christmas colors to keep my brain on point. Still was about to say November. Well, if you're brand new to my YouTube channel, this is as good as it's gonna get for the kind of videos you're gonna see. If you're brand new and you're like, what's going on? Been doing this for about 3 years. We don't know. But I will tell you that box week is the best week every month. It's 1 week, me and my YouTube family. We spend 7 consecutive days together. You're catching us on day 4. We're opening up subscription boxes every day. That's what we do. We're just hanging out, watching me open stuff, seeing what I feel about it. Like, and how that's working out. Today we're going to be opening up Allure Beauty. I want you to know this box is like popping open. I haven't looked yet, but I'm like worried even touching it because it's like popping open at the sides. I've also got our stockpile giveaway box to see if we'll actually put something in it tonight. I don't know, like that BoxyCharm box this month was like insane. Also, you guys, my brows. I started using that brow stuff from the BoxyCharm box. Dude, I feel like I'm reborn. Like I'm not like, I feel like my brows, I have not liked my brows as much ever. Like I liked my brows and I feel like I've had brow game over the years, but I feel like my brows have never ever looked this good. And I know I shouldn't probably be talking about another boxes item during this video, but I don't really care. Allure Beauty, if you want to check out the box for yourself, I have a link down below in the description box. Click it, check it out. I want to say it's 15 bucks a month, I want to say, because I feel like I don't know anymore how much any of these boxes cost. They keep changing their prices. But I'm just going to leave it at that. You know who you are. So this is the Allure Beauty box. They had one, for the last like 3 months, they've changed the way they do the packaging. So like a year ago, the box wasn't like the best. Then they like rebranded this year and it was like amazing. Then a couple months ago, they rebranded again. You're like, ooh, it was a little bit tough. But then last month was good. So then this box is popping open. So I'm just like, I don't know what Allure's up to, but I believe in them. I'm staying with them. So we're just gonna leave it at that. All right, so on the very top of the box, we have, oh my God, it's Anastasia from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is so exciting. I love her. I love her. I love her. She's amazing. You should follow her on Instagram. She's the best. All right, right on the top, oh my gosh, we have Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer from First Aid Beauty. This is like the best. So I'm actually going to be giving this to Josh. This is so funny because I was literally wanting him to like start using this like on his face and I didn't like buy him any for Christmas yet or really plan to. This is amazing. This stuff is the best. Like honestly, this is actually the moisturizer I always recommend like to anyone with sensitive skin, especially like men. I always recommend this to men. It has like unscented. It is like the most honest moisturizer you'll ever get. Like I just literally, I don't know, I'm smelling it. I said it's like scent free, but it's the best. So this is so exciting. This is so exciting. This is one of the best moisturizers on the market. If you're like, I just want something that's just gonna hydrate my skin, that's gonna do it. All right, next we have Anastasia liquid lipstick. You from Bohemia. Oh my God, this color. Oh my God. It's like a dark, sexy purple. And I've literally been looking for a dark, sexy purple. Oh, it's like, I don't even know. We're gonna find out what it looked like. What it looked like, girl. Oh my God, stop. Stop it. Stop. Allure, you are so bad. Oh my God. Next we have Christopher Robin. I was just putting this on my Christmas list. Oh my God. Christopher Robin Cleansing Purifying Scrub with Sea Salt. No way. No way. This, you are kidding, right? I literally was looking at this and was like, I want to try that. This is a hair scrub. This is a scalp scrub. I'm geeking out. Like I'm done. I'm done. I'm geeked, I'm done. I'm over it. That's it. Next we got Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. Now actually I'm gonna put this in the stockpile giveaway. We just got brow gel on the brow thing the other night, as well as I do like have clear brow gel already. That's insane. And then finally, there's one more item in here. You guys. They put a full size glow kit. The Moonchild glow kit inside of the giveaway. Are you kidding? Are in the giveaway in the Allure box. Oh my god. Are you kidding me right now? Are you kidding? Are you seriously kidding? This is insane. Like, this box is absolutely this is nuts. Like, okay. All right, Allure. Cool. Let's just show up, show out. Let's just do that. Okay. All right. That's what we're doing today. We're doing, okay. Yeah, it says a fine palette to master Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild Glow Kit. We went straight to the master herself. Great. Okay. So let's just recap the box. Okay, great. Yeah, let's do it. So to recap, we got the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer. I can't talk very well. Face moisturizer. Went into a full accent there. I was like, well, I'll just go with it. You know what you're saying? Go into accent. We got the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lipstick in the shade Bohemian, which is right there on the back of my hand. We got the full size Moonchild palette, highlighter palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Just to recap that, it's right here. Looking insanely gorgeous and amazing. As well as we got the Christopher Robin hair scrub, which I actually literally put on my Christmas list that I wanted. And then we got the Anastasia Beverly Hills clear brow gel, which we're gonna stock giveaway. Jeez, I feel like so bad. I haven't been putting much in the stock giveaway because like I've been getting like so much stuff that I'm like, oh my god, I actually like want that. So it's been kind of crazy. Yeah, so okay, so that's what I have for you guys today. But if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at Justlikedrew, spelled the same way as down below. If you are part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family, because we are literally the best around, because anybody everybody can meet our crew. I love you guys so stinking much, and if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life, and I will see you tomorrow for day 5 of box week. I already talked to you. I love you. Goodbye, goodbye. Meaning water sprite is a famous rock tea that originates from Fujian, I can't say words, province, China, grown